In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter full screen automatically when joining a Zoom meeting. If you like your meetings to open big and distraction-free from the very first second, this simple setting will do exactly that. Start by opening the Zoom desktop app. On the main screen, look toward the lower left corner and click the gear icon labeled Settings. That opens the place where all your Zoom preferences live. If your app window is small and you don't immediately see the gear, try expanding the window or looking for the same gear icon near the profile area. The label will still say Settings. Inside Settings, find the section called Meetings and Webinars on the left side. Click it to reveal options that control how Zoom behaves before and during your sessions. This area is designed to shape your overall meeting experience, from what you see when you join to how windows appear on your screen. Within this section, look for a group of options called Join Experience. Locate the switch labeled Enter Full Screen Automatically and turn it on. With this enabled, Zoom will expand to full screen the moment you enter a meeting or webinar, helping you stay focused on the content and participants. If you ever change your mind, you can come back here and toggle it off just as easily. Remember, full screen is different from simply maximizing a window. It hides more of your desktop and keeps Zoom front and center. And you can always press the Escape key or use your window controls to exit full screen at any time without leaving the meeting. Let's make sure it works. Start a new meeting from your Zoom home screen. As the meeting opens, Zoom should jump right into full screen. That immediate switch confirms the setting is active. If it doesn't, return to Settings and double-check that Enter Full Screen Automatically is still on. Also, make sure you're adjusting settings in the same desktop app where you start your meetings, especially if you use Zoom on multiple computers. That's all there is to it. With one quick toggle, you can ensure every meeting begins without window juggling or distractions, making it easier to focus on people, presentations, and conversations. If you collaborate often, teach classes, or present to clients, this little change can save you time and keep your attention exactly where it should be the moment you join. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more immersive Zoom experience from the start.